Looking for the best cameras for vlogging? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the best vlogging camera you can buy right now. It stands out because of its 3-axis gimbal stabilization, which delivers incredibly smooth, professional-looking video. The camera features a 1-inch CMOS sensor that can record 4K video at 60 frames per second in widescreen, and 3K at 60 frames per second in vertical or square formats, all with 10-bit color for richer details. Its rotating 2-inch touchscreen makes it easy to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting, making it perfect for different social media platforms. For vloggers, the ActiveTrack 6.0 autofocus with face detection keeps you in focus as you move. The 20mm f/2 lens also performs well in low light conditions. The camera supports multiple recording modes, including slow motion in 4K, time-lapse, and hyperlapse. Video quality is excellent, with natural colors, sharp details, and improved low-light performance thanks to the larger sensor. Battery life is strong, offering up to 116 minutes of 4K 60 frames per second recording on a single charge, along with fast charging. Additional features include D-Log-M for professional color grading, HLG HDR support, and built-in microphones with backup audio recording. Smart features like dynamic framing and multiple gimbal modes help in different shooting situations. Number 2. Sony ZV1F. This is our runner-up pick and excels at vlogging, with its fully articulated screen and advanced autofocus system featuring 425 face detection, points that effectively track faces and eyes even in low light conditions. The camera uses a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second and full HD at up to 120 frames per second. For slow motion footage, its built-in 3-capsule microphone delivers quality audio complemented by external mic and headphone ports. The camera supports Sony's E-mount lens system, providing extensive lens compatibility options. Notable vlogging features include background defocus and product showcase modes, plus a prominent red recording indicator both on screen and via a front tally light. Video capabilities include SLOG 2 and SLOG 3 profiles for advanced color grading. Along with HLG support, the camera offers 3 levels of electronic steady-shot stabilization, which works in conjunction with optical lens stabilization. While the ZV10 performs admirably in most situations, it does exhibit noticeable rolling shutter effect during quick panning movements. For still photography, it manages 11 FPS burst shooting and handles noise well at higher ISOs, making it a capable hybrid camera. Number 3. Canon PowersShot V10. The PowersShot V10 excels as a dedicated vlogging camera with its built-in stereo microphones and wind filter for clear audio capture. This compact camera features a 1-inch 20.1 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K 30p video and 15.2 megapixel stills through its fixed 19mm wide-angle lens. The 2-inch touchscreen display flips 180 degrees for easy self-recording. The camera includes digital image stabilization, face tracking autofocus, and 14 color filters for creative control. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable direct streaming to YouTube and Facebook via the Canon Camera Connect app. The integrated stand eliminates the need for additional accessories, while the non-removable battery provides approximately 1 hour of 4K recording time, and heat management can limit continuous recording to about 23 minutes. The camera supports micro SD cards and offers plug-and-play webcam functionality for streaming. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2. The Pocket 2 excels at stabilization with its built-in 3-axis gimbal that delivers remarkably smooth footage. This compact vlogging camera captures 4K video at up to 60 frames per second with a 100 megabits per second bit rate and offers slow motion recording at 240 frames per second in 1080p. The 1/1.7 sensor provides good image quality in well-lit conditions, while the Dynamic profile offers flexibility for color grading. Its intelligent tracking feature automatically follows subjects, making it ideal for solo content creators. The camera includes versatile shooting modes like time-lapse, motion-lapse, and hyperlapse. A small touchscreen display allows for quick settings adjustments, and users can connect their smartphones for a larger viewing screen. The device features both built-in and wireless microphone options for clear audio capture. While it may struggle in low light and high contrast scenes, its combination of portability and stabilization makes it an effective vlogging tool. Number 5. Sony ZV1F. This is our 5th ranked pick, but it still excels at vlogging. With its 20.1 megapixel 1-inch SMORE RS CMOS sensor and fixed 20mm f2 wide-angle lens, the camera captures sharp 4K video at 30 frames per second and features excellent eye-tracking autofocus with 425 contrast detection points. Its vari-angle 3 inches touchscreen makes self-recording simple, while the built-in directional 3-capsule microphone delivers clear audio enhanced by an included windscreen for outdoor shooting. Face Priority AE automatically brightens faces, and the skin tone algorithms provide natural-looking results. The camera offers quick startup, instant processing of 4K footage, and useful features like background defocus and product showcase settings. Slow motion capabilities include full HD at 120 frames per second, and the camera supports vertical video recording for social media. While it performs exceptionally well indoors, outdoor performance can be challenging. The ZV1F connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and can function as a plug-and-play webcam for live streaming.